Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about the basics of Swift 5, and in this part 5, we will talk about type safety and type inferences. Inference. Okay, as usual, we need to create a playground, so I'm gonna make one blank. I'll go to document and I choose. Learn the directory. The last one was number 4 and this one is number 5 as video name is, and of course you can find this in comment below, link to GitHub, include this. Okay, so I make this and I'll go to you know what we learned from Swift. So type safety and type inference. This is very important. All of this basics subject, maybe most of you knows that, but it is important that you be clear about them, because these are the basics, the structure of your learning. So make sure to understand it very clearly. So type safety in Swift means that Swift always asks you to clear about type of value your code can work with. So it means that any variable you make, any property you make, need to have a clear type. But in other hand, Swift help you with type inference. Means that if you give initial value to your variable property or constant or whatever, it gonna help you to find the type if you put an initial. But if you don't, then it will ask you to make sure what is the type, clear for that. So what is the type? So let me run this part and see. Okay, if I option click, you will hear this is the integer, and yes, it is integer. I could say this in other way with clone and integer. Just I added another name one to avoid, and it's gonna be the same. It is integer. So let me say okay, int 8. I know 42 is work with int 8, so still same, but now you will see option click, it's gonna say this is int 8 digits. So type inference help me to get type to automatically by the initial value, but I can specify it myself as well. So let me go for more detailed question like this. So in previous we said that double gonna be default, and yes, it is. So let me run this. You will see this is the PI number and option, it is double. Even though if I make another PI and it's gonna be I make that number, it is double. But if I mention this is gonna be float and put a 1 here, then it will be floats. Here we go. So yeah, that's this is about the type inference and type safety in Swift, which is very important. You cannot have any variable without clearing what type it is. You will get error in compile time, which is much better than you get error in runtime. So in compile, tell you there is something wrong. If you want to use it, for example, in this new type, you need to converted, which we will talk about it later. And with this we say literal integer. Later I'm gonna talk about it, number literal, in next video. Okay, that's it for this part. I hope you like it. If you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to be subscribed. Any question, ask in comment below. I wish the best for you, and have a good one. Bye bye.